watching her, you're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
I just have to start off by saying God is a good God. Y'all been here with me. It has been very stressful on my behalf. I've been killing myself trying to make this happen for me and my kids, and it seemed like the walls were closing around me everywhere I went. I was just hitting walls. Even in the midst of me losing myself, I never lost faith. When I tell you, God will do it for you if you keep your eyes on him and you walk with him and you trust in him. He's gonna turn it around. And your girl just got the best news. Y'all, look at this. I'm still trying to process this all, y'all. It's just literally applied to this place less than 24 hours. Went to view it. I toured it. It was really, really nice. If this is for me, God, it's gonna be for me. And I just left it there. Just continued on my search. You know, I will be honest, my heart was heavy, but I didn't give up. I was like, where there's a will, there's a way. I'm gonna try until I can't try anymore. Baby, it hasn't even been a whole full 24 hours. And when I tell you God don't play about me, you don't know who he is. That's all I can say. Just in awe right now. I'm grateful. Still numb because I didn't expect to see my email so fast, and we gotta celebrate. We gonna boo-hoo a little bit. We gonna get the tears out, but these are happy tears. This is a time to rejoice. Weeping may be for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Thank you, God. Because life be life, and sometimes, y'all, one thing's for sure, life throws you lemons. You better make some bomb-ass lemonade. Because one thing's for sure, two things for certain, I will never give up. And when it comes to my kids and for my kids, there's no limits. He is the one who made it possible for me and my kids. So don't give up. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on what it is that you're fighting for, no matter what it is. This is why I document my life, because I want to use my life and my struggles and my wins to motivate other people, because I know that life is not easy for any of us. And you're gonna have your highs and your lows. And when you have your lows, you gotta hold on. So heavy, sleepless nights, not eating, not knowing what the outcome is gonna be is so scary, especially when you're a parent and you have to provide for your kids. God is our provider. I didn't tell the kids yet, so I'll probably tell them later. It's a good time. Good tears, happy tears, and let us rejoice and be glad in it. Thank every single one of you guys for your prayers. I read every single comment. I mean, the love poured into me, the scriptures. I just feel like the more prayers that went up just helped my process. So thank you to everybody who wished well for me and my kids. You guys are just so phenomenal. Such a beautiful thing to have such a community of people like you guys that love me and rock with me through the good and the bad. I love y'all. Let's get this party started. Time to pack. The cat is out the bag. So now we're officially moving within 1 week. So I'm gonna get things ready right now because I hate waiting last minute. Majority of all the stuff in this apartment is literally all of mine. Most of it is really just clothes, but I'm probably just gonna give it away because it's old and I need a new wardrobe anyway. So I have a few boxes, but I know it's not gonna be enough because my clothes alone is gonna be like probably 10 boxes in itself. I'm gonna focus on my bags and stuff at the top. Just stuff that I'm not going to wear every day because, again, I still have like a week. So the stuff that I'm not using on a day-to-day, we're going to box that up. I want to focus on underneath the bathroom sink because I have a lot of stuff under there. I was working on my junk drawers. You know, everybody has a junk drawer. In the kitchen, I have like 2. So I got rid of all that stuff. And then cleaning the back of the couch because y'all know when you have kids, when you pull that couch out, it's a whole nother world. I'm actually going to sell the couch because I just don't like the quality of it. Honestly, spent so much on it from IKEA. And very disappointed. I was better off going with a Wayfair couch like I had before. The springs in this couch is popping out like within 3 months. Granted, Justice was jumping on it, but still, for what I paid, it should be lasting. So I put it on Facebook Marketplace, and when I tell you my phone has been clicking off, they've been writing me back to back, literally back to back to back to back to back. So I'm thinking if I should sell it right now before we move, which like I said is like within a week. It doesn't really make a difference because the kids don't really care about sitting on the couch. But if I do sell it today, depending on who I go with, Eddie's going to come over and assist me because you just never know who's coming up in your house and what spirits they bring in. We're going to run to Walmart to get some more boxes. I'm going to try to see if they give them away because, you know, when they be doing stock, they just they throw it out anyway. So we're gonna steal some boxes from them, and then we are going to see about the couch.
Yeah. It's yeah. You know how it feels. Oh my, oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. See, let's keep it real. We both still young, so what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around.
Wally World, we're gonna get some boxes, y'all. I haven't been in Walmart in literally like 3 months, it feels like. I'm recording on my phone too, y'all. These are too small. It's a pretty heavy couch.
And you ready? Okay, we're gonna need some real muscle here. Yeah, that's great. Oh, perfect, because that's the unstable part. Thank you so much. Come on.
Go ahead, son. Good job.
Okay.
Watch out, Justin. You okay? Yeah. Are you okay, son?
Yeah, perfect. Oh, that's such a help. Thank you.
Thank you for helping, son. You're such a great helper. Give me 5.
Hours and directions, press 1. For all other inquiries, press 2. 1-bedroom home to a 2-bedroom apartment, and I have a 20-foot that holds like a 2-bedroom home.
Yeah. So maybe the 20-foot will probably work.
Work for you?
Oh yeah, definitely gonna move in the same day. We locked down a truck, y'all. The U-Haul's locked down. That was easy peasy. I'm just doing like I created a checklist of like the important things that I need. I got the boxes. When I went to Walmart yesterday, y'all, they had hardly any boxes. They were super small. It's like, what am I doing with these boxes? They're so tiny. So what I did was I was walking through the aisles and I saw them stock boys, and them stock boys gave me all the boxes that they was breaking down, and I took them. I did get some more tape and stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything's coming together, y'all, little by little. Little by little, one day at a time. I just know that your girl can breathe now. I can actually breathe. We moving, y'all. The living room's so echoey now that the couch is gone. And as I've been doing stuff, I was watching the Jamie Foxx documentary. If you have not watched it, watch it. Watch it on a day where you don't need to go out because you're gonna boo-hoo. When I tell you, this documentary had me in my feelings. It basically opens up and explains about his illness, how he overcame his illness, and how real God is in his life. It had me crying because to see a man open up and be so vulnerable and not be afraid to shed tears and know who the Lord is, baby, that is such a beautiful thing to witness. I'm gonna go in the bathroom and get rid of like all my stuff. We're gonna do that. I'm not taking a lot of stuff. I'm really just gonna focus on the beds, the dressers, and I don't know how I feel about my kitchen table. Very cute, but I just don't like the glass. Constantly have to clean it every day. Maybe I'm thinking more of like a rectangular table. See when we get there. I'm gonna go back and look at it again just to get measurements and, you know, get an idea. But this time is much easier with the move because when you're relocating from a whole different state, it's a different ball game. I'm just going from one neighborhood to another, so I have as much stuff to get rid of. So that's really what we're doing for right now. I got some fruit because I wanted to juice. My stomach been bothering me, y'all. I fell off my gluten-free diet. I have not been following it, and I'm honestly paying for it. And I feel like stress plays a really big part in our gut. You know what I mean? The levels have been, but now today when I woke up, I felt a relief. I felt so much more at peace and more relieved and less stress because God is good. Won't He do it?
Simply Michelle.